I'm going to show you how to get InstaForex No Deposit Bonus, and as you can see, you can get up to $3,500 to trade a live account. You need to follow every step that I'm going to tell you, otherwise it won't work. So first thing, click the link in the video description. If you don't use that link, you won't be able to access the bonus. After you click the link, you will get on this page. Here, you simply need to put your email address, okay? Then mark accept, privacy policy accept, and understand accept. Okay, so all these three things need to be marked. You put your email and then click on get bonus. As you can see, now you're gonna need to insert your information. So let's start by putting your full name, okay? Add your phone number, your state, your city, and then if you want your Facebook and your Skype, but these are not mandatory. And then just click on get bonus. As you can see, it's going to load, and it told us, congratulations on your registering for a trading account. We send the confirmation of the bonus to this email address, and here you're gonna have your account number and your password to make the login. Then you just need to click here where it says go to cabinet. After you click it, you're gonna be inside this dashboard, and as you can see here where it says account, and also here at the top where it says account, the number is gonna be the same as the one that you saw before. And if you look here, balance, equity, you're gonna see that now you have your $3,500 accredited in your account, and you can start trading with them. So this is how you get the InstaForex No Deposit Bonus. But as I told you, if you don't use the link in the description, you won't be able to get this bonus. So you need to click the link in the video description, follow the steps that I just showed you, and you'll be able to get the $3,500 inside your account, and you'll be able to start trading with them.